Every great journey begins with absolute purity. Welcome to a mechanical symphony where technology and taste merge in a dance of industrial perfection and heritage. Step inside a world of precision, where the air is filtered and every surface gleams with the promise of quality and the history of refreshment. A simple touch awakens the giant. Human expertise meets cutting-edge automation to begin the process that brings joy to millions of people around the globe. The rhythmic movement of heavy machinery begins. These gears are the heartbeats of a system designed for flawless execution and eternal consistency in every drop. Water, the essence of life, is refined to its most pristine state. It flows through advanced filters, ensuring a foundation of unparalleled clarity and taste. Every molecule is scrutinized and perfected. This is the overture of purity, setting the stage for the iconic flavor that the entire world has come to love. Now, the soul of the beverage is added. The secret concentrate, rich and dark, flows with a heavy grace into the heart of the mixing chamber. The legendary formula is brought to life through precise blending. Mechanical blades stir the liquid into a perfect, consistent mixture of heritage and modern science. Watch as the ingredients harmonize. This is where the magic happens. A century-old recipe protected by the most advanced industrial technology available to mankind today. Lasers monitor every milligram. There is no room for error when preserving a legacy. Technology ensures that the taste you enjoy today is exactly as intended. Every parameter is tracked in real time. This digital vigilance guarantees that the soul of the flavor remains constant, regardless of the scale of production happening here. Human oversight remains the final judge. We blend the speed of machines with the careful eye of experts to ensure every batch is absolutely perfect. The blend is ready. With a mechanical sigh, the syrup moves forward, ready to meet the sparkling water that will give it its famous, refreshing effervescence. Pressure and gas are introduced with surgical precision. The beverage begins to tingle and dance, preparing for the moment it hits your glass and refreshes. The liquid journey through the pipes is a marvel of engineering. A network of stainless steel carries the finished refreshment toward its final iconic form. Behold the rise of form. These small plastic preforms are the seeds of the future, waiting to be transformed into the world's most recognizable bottle shape. Under the glow of infrared heat, the plastic becomes pliable. It is prepared for a dramatic transformation, guided by the invisible hands of thermal energy. Balance is key. Every preform must reach the exact temperature to ensure the structural integrity and aesthetic beauty of the final bottle we are creating. In a split second, the molds lock tight. This is the moment of creation, where pressure and metal define the iconic curves of a global legend. A powerful blast of air expands the plastic. Within the steel embrace, the bottle takes its final breath and expands into its world-famous ergonomic silhouette. The transformation is complete. What was once a simple tube of plastic is now a vessel of refreshment, shining and ready for the next stage. They are quickly cooled and stabilized. The process is rapid and relentless, producing thousands of perfect containers every hour with unwavering automated consistency and grace. The pace quickens as we enter the dance of flow. A silver river of empty bottles races toward the heart of the factory at incredible speeds. Behold the precision of the filling carousel. It is a masterpiece of synchronization, where hundreds of bottles are handled simultaneously without a single mistake or delay. The nozzles descend like a synchronized team. In one fluid motion, they connect with the bottles, ready to deliver the perfect portion of cold refreshment. The flow begins. The bottles fill with the dark, sparkling liquid, leaving just enough space for the fizz that provides that unmistakable, crisp Coca-Cola sensation. In slow motion, you can see the energy. Each bottle is filled to the exact milliliter, ensuring that every customer receives the same high-quality experience. The red crowns arrive. These caps are the seal of quality, waiting to lock in the freshness and the carbonation that makes every sip so satisfying. With a swift, rotating motion, the caps are tightened. The flavor is now secured, protected from the world until the moment of that first, refreshing opening. The strobe light flashes, capturing images of every single bottle. Artificial intelligence checks the fill level and the cap seal with superhuman speed and accuracy. A final rinse ensures the exterior is as clean as the interior. High-pressure jets remove any trace of the process, leaving the bottle sparkling and pristine. Air knives strip away the moisture. The bottles are dried in an instant, preparing their surfaces for the iconic labels that will soon define their identity. Order emerges from the speed. The lanes of bottles march forward, a testament to the power of modern logistics and the beauty of industrial choreography. Every movement is calculated. The reflection of the line shows a world where efficiency and aesthetics coexist, creating a visual rhythm that is truly mesmerizing. The journey continues with unwavering stability. Despite the incredible speed of the line, every bottle is treated with the utmost care to prevent any damage. It is time for the perfect outfit. The iconic red labels are fed into the system, ready to wrap every bottle in a coat of global recognition. With a blur of motion, the label is applied. The bottle spins, and in a fraction of a second, it is transformed into a finished product. The logo is smoothed into place. This script is more than just text. It is a symbol of happiness and a promise of consistent, refreshing quality. High-tech lasers etch the identity. Every bottle now carries its own birth certificate, allowing for total traceability from the factory floor to the store shelf. Accuracy to the micron. This laser precision is part of the digital thread that connects every bottle to the global supply chain and our quality standards. Nothing escapes the AI's gaze. It scans for label alignment, cap integrity, and coding clarity, ensuring that only the perfect bottles move forward to the world. Excellence is non-negotiable. Any bottle that falls short of our high standards is gently removed, maintaining the integrity of the brand in every single case. The sea of red is a sight to behold. Each bottle is now a brand ambassador, ready to carry the spirit of Coca-Cola to eager consumers. The individual bottles now become part of a group. Precision dividers organize them into the familiar packs that will soon be found in homes and stores. They move in unison, a collective force of refreshment. The transition from individual units to packaged goods is seamless and perfectly timed for maximum efficiency. The protective layer is applied. Plastic film wraps around the bottles, creating a secure bundle that is easy to handle and ready for the rugged journey. In the heat of the tunnel, the film shrinks and tightens. It forms a perfect, transparent skin that holds the bottles together with incredible strength and clarity. Enter the titans of industry. Massive robotic arms, driven by complex algorithms, take over the heavy lifting with grace and power that defies their size. Each case is placed with absolute precision. The robot builds a perfect tower of product, ensuring stability for transport and maximizing every inch of space available. Watch the architecture of logistics. In minutes, a full pallet is created, a solid block of refreshment ready to be shipped across cities or continents. The final security measure is applied. The pallet wrapper spins like a dancer, encasing the entire stack in layers of protective, high-tension stretch film for safety. It is a cocoon of protection. This layer ensures that the bottles remain safe and secure during their long journey from our home to yours. Intelligence in motion. Autonomous vehicles transport the finished pallets through the warehouse, communicating with each other to optimize the flow of goods with zero friction. The scale is breathtaking. This massive library of refreshment is a testament to a global supply chain that never sleeps and never stops delivering joy. The journey to the consumer begins. Pallets are loaded onto trucks, the final link in the chain that connects our factory to your local neighborhood. Sealed and ready for departure. The trucks head out, carrying the results of this mechanical symphony to the hands of those who seek refreshment everywhere. From the heat of the factory to the cold of your fridge, the journey ends here, where a single bottle stands ready to deliver its promise. See the perfection in the details. The condensation is a sign of the ideal temperature, a silent invitation to experience the crispness we've worked to preserve. The moment of connection. All that technology, all that history, and all that precision lead to this simple, human act of reaching for a favorite drink. Listen to the sound of refreshment. That characteristic hiss is the sound of a promise kept, the release of quality that was sealed in the factory. The pour is an art form in itself. The dark liquid meets the ice, and the bubbles celebrate their freedom, creating the perfect sensory experience for you. The factory never stops. Even as you enjoy your drink, the mechanical symphony continues, tirelessly producing the next wave of happiness for the world to share. Coca-Cola, the pinnacle of dedication and technology. A brand that has mastered the art of industrial production without ever losing its soul or its taste. The mechanical symphony concludes, only to begin again tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey of precision, passion, and the world's most iconic flavor.